Now you can see we we put the big, nice, big hail-proof cover on, and we then put the waterproofing cover over that, and we lashed that down very nicely there, and then we glad wrapped through the middle to protect the undercarriage. We'll do a bit of tape tomorrow on that glad wrap underneath. And we've sealed the exhaust and sealed under the hood. And we've done our best on that side to seal with glad wrap and tape for that fuel tank rubber pipe. So did our best there. But yeah, otherwise did our best. So sure all will be good, eh?